Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to transfer money from Instarem. I'm going to tell you step by step how to do that. So first you need to do is just open up Instarem website or Instarem mobile app and then sign up for a new account if you don't have one, or you can log in your existing credentials. After this, verify your identity by uploading required documents such as passport or driving license. Once you do that, there will be option of add recipient or send money on the dashboard. So simply click on that, and after this it will ask you for recipient bank details such as their name, account number, bank name, SWIFT or IFSC code. So simply enter all of these details. And once you do that, simply choose the currency you are sending and the recipient's currency. Input the amount you want to send and you will see the applicable exchange rate and fees. Select the purpose of the transfer, if for example personal expense, tuition fees or etc. After this, Instarem allows you multiple payment methods such as bank transfer, debit or credit card, net banking or any country specific payment methods. After you do all of that, simply review the transfer details including fees and delivery time. Simply click on confirm to finalize the transaction, and depending on the method you have chosen, follow the instruction to complete the payment such as entering the OTP for card payments. And you can also track your transfer once the transfer has been initiated. You can check its status in transfer history section of the app or website. Instarem also provides email or SMS notification to update you on the transfer progress. So that's it, how you can transfer money from Instarem. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel.